There was a day when no birds sang, no scent of wet earth after the rain, and the shade we once took for granted was gone. Today's video is part of a larger story about Earth, about life, and about what we are slowly losing. If stories like this matter to you, subscribe to stay with us for what comes next. Before cities rose, before humans shaped the world in their image, Earth was a planet of forests. Forests once covered more than half of the land. They were home to millions of species. They held water, soil, and the air we breathe. For dinosaurs in the past, and wildlife today, forests were more than a habitat. They were life itself. Forests did not disappear overnight. First, a few trees were cut. Then a clearing. Then an entire forest. Forests became farms, highways, cities that never sleep. Every minute, forests vanish at a rate equal to dozens of football fields. Not because we don't know, but because we choose to look away. And this is not a single story. It is happening all over the planet. We will return to these stories in future episodes of Dino and Beyond. When forests disappear, animals lose their homes. Some species vanish forever. No farewell. No record of their last day. Without forests, the climate becomes unstable, hotter, drier, more violent. Floods, droughts, wildfires, and eventually, humans become victims of their own actions. These species have no voice, no platform, no one to tell their story. That is why this channel exists. Imagine waking up one day. No parks, no trees, no shade. Children learn about forests only through textbooks and old videos. This is not science fiction. This is a possible future. If nothing changes, and if you are still watching, you are probably asking the same question. Can we do better? The answer is yes, but it requires understanding, awareness, and action. Every forest protected is a second chance. Every tree planted is an apology to the planet. The day forests disappear does not have to happen. If you want to continue exploring stories about dinosaurs, life on Earth, and the future we are shaping, subscribe to the channel, because every subscriber is someone who chose not to turn away.